Are you saying very all the time? For example, very big or very calm. Stop saying very all the time, but instead use appropriate synonyms for it to sound more native. Don't say very big, but say instead huge, very bright, shimmering, very beautiful, gorgeous, very dark, shadowy, very fast, quick, very funny, amusing, very good, excellent, very important, necessary, very lazy, indolent, very neat, trim, very old, aged, very strange, odd, very brave, fearless, very angry, furious, very dangerous, risky, very delicious, savory, very happy, pleased, very interesting, fascinating, very little, dinky, very new, modern, very quiet, tranquil, very ugly, horrible. Also, if you want to say very grateful, you can say instead extremely grateful, absolutely grateful, incredibly grateful.